Welcome to my channel. This video part 4. You can check the channel for part 5. Don't forget to subscribe. Drag. He had to drag the heavy suitcase up the stairs.
Drag.
Plain. The landscape was a vast, open plain with no trees.
Plain.
State. She was proud to state her opinion during the debate.
State.
Opposed. Many people are opposed to the new government policy.
Opposed.
Reproduce. Some animals can reproduce asexually through cloning.
Reproduce.
Represent. The flag represents our nation's history and values.
Represent.
18th. The 18th century was a period of great change.
18th.
Passage.
Passage.
The passage from the book was filled with poetic imagery.
Passage.
Ally. During the First World War, Turkey was an ally of Germany. Bring back.
Bring back.
Can you please bring back some milk from the store?
Bring back.
Wherever. I'll follow you wherever you go.
Wherever.
Scientist. The scientist conducted experiments in the laboratory.
Scientist.
Formerly. The building was formerly used as a school.
Formerly.
Dirty. She cleaned the dirty windows until they sparkled.
Dirty.
Decision.
Decision.
Making a decision can be difficult when there are many options.
Decision.
Dear. My dear friend, I hope this letter finds you well.
Dear.
December. December is my favorite month because of the holidays.
December.
Height.
Height.
The tower's height is truly impressive.
Height.
Local.
Local.
The local community organized a charity event.
Local.
Some.
Some
people prefer tea over coffee in the morning.
Some.
Photographer. The photographer captured stunning images of the sunset.
Photographer.
Hold back.
Hold back.
He had to hold back tears when he heard the sad news.
Hold back.
Press. The press reported on the president's latest speech.
Press.
Queen. The Queen greeted the crowd from the balcony.
Queen.
Surprised. I was pleasantly surprised by the unexpected gift.
Surprised.
Review. She wrote a glowing review of the new restaurant.
Review.
Exaggerated. His claims were clearly exaggerated for dramatic effect.
Exaggerated.
Determine.
Determine.
It's important to determine the cause of the problem.
Determine.
Sister.
Sister.
My sister is coming to visit us this weekend.
Sister.
Palace.
Palace.
The palace was adorned with intricate decorations.
Palace.
Sweet.
Sweet.
The dessert was a perfect combination of sweet and tart flavors.
Sweet.
Midday.
Midday.
We usually have lunch around midday.
Midday.
Meet with.
Meet with.
I have a scheduled meeting with the CEO later today.
Meet with.
Article.
Article.
I read an interesting article in the newspaper.
Article.
Them.
Them.
I spoke to them about the upcoming event.
Them.
Bed.
Bed.
I love to curl up in bed with a good book.
Bed.
Income.
Income.
His monthly income has increased significantly.
Income.
Remain.
Remain.
Please remain seated until the flight comes to a complete stop.
Remain.
Mass.
Mass.
The mass of the object determines its gravitational pull.
Mass.
Reasonably.
Reasonably.
The hotel prices are reasonably affordable.
Reasonably.
Wear away.
Wear away.
Over time, the waves wear away the rocks along the coastline.
Wear away.
Answer.
Answer.
Can you please answer the phone for me?
Answer.
Approximate.
Approximate.
The approximate distance to the nearest town is 10 miles.
Approximate.
Sex.
Sex.
The biology class discussed the role of sex in reproduction.
Sex.
Rival.
Rival.
The two teams have been rivals for many years.
Rival.
Industrial.
Industrial.
The city has a strong industrial sector.
Industrial.
Wire.
Wire.
The electrician repaired the frayed wire.
Wire.
Hot.
Hot.
Be careful, the soup is very hot.
Hot.
Reduce.
Reduce.
We need to reduce our energy consumption.
Reduce.
Several.
Several.
Several students were absent from the class.
Several.
Obey.
Obey.
It's important to obey traffic laws for safety.
Obey.
Swollen.
Swollen.
Her ankle was swollen after she twisted it.
Swollen.
Injury.
Injury.
He sustained a minor injury during the game.
Injury.
See about.
See about.
I'll see about rescheduling the appointment for you.
See about.
Luggage.
Luggage.
The airport lost my luggage during my flight.
luggage,
Rumor.
rumor,
The rumor about the upcoming concert spread quickly.
rumor,
Background.
background,
Her background in finance made her an ideal candidate for the job.
background,
Collection.
collection,
The museum features an impressive collection of ancient artifacts.
collection,
Look through.
look through,
I need to look through my notes before the exam.
look through,
Science.
science,
The field of science has made incredible advancements in recent years.
science,
Adventure.
adventure,
The group embarked on a thrilling adventure in the wilderness.
adventure,
Formal.
formal,
The wedding will be a formal black tie event.
formal,
Raise.
raise,
The company decided to raise employee salaries.
raise,
Until.
until,
We'll wait here until you're ready to leave.
until,
Claim.
claim,
She made a claim for compensation after the accident.
claim,
Belief.
belief,
His strong belief in equality guided his actions.
belief,
Swing.
swing,
The children love to swing on the playground.
swing,
Alive.
alive,
The plant came alive after a few days of watering.
alive,
Explosion.
explosion,
The loud explosion could be heard for miles.
explosion,
Lazy.
lazy,
He spent a lazy Sunday afternoon reading in the hammock.
lazy,
Coldly.
coldly,
She responded to the criticism with a coldly dismissive tone.
coldly,
Purple.
purple,
Her favorite color is a rich shade of purple.
purple,
Almost.
almost,
I've almost finished reading this book.
almost,
Driving.
driving,
He's been driving for over 20 years.
driving,
Pride.
pride,
She felt a sense of pride after completing the marathon.
pride,
Driver.
driver,
The taxi driver took us to the airport.
driver,
Pull out.
pull out,
He carefully pulled out the splinter from his finger.
pull out,
Morning.
morning,
I love going for a run in the crisp morning air.
morning,
Pay out.
pay out,
The insurance company will pay out compensation to the affected families.
pay out,
Print.
print,
I need to print these documents for the meeting.
print,
Face.
face,
She had a worried expression on her face.
face,
Hatred.
hatred,
Hatred only leads to more conflict and unhappiness.
hatred,
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Our neighborhood is known for its friendly community.
Neighborhood.
Elevator.
Elevator.
Take the elevator to the 3rd floor.
Elevator.
Sight.
Sight.
The stunning mountain view was a breathtaking sight.
Sight.
Find.
Find.
I managed to find my lost keys in the couch cushions.
Find.
Touch.
Touch.
The fabric had a soft and pleasant texture to the touch.
Touch.
Lucky.
Lucky.
We consider ourselves lucky to have such great friends.
Lucky.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
She was satisfied with the outcome of the project.
Satisfied.
Contact.
Contact.
Please contact me if you have any further questions.
Contact.
Organize.
Organize.
We need to organize the files in alphabetical order.
Organize.
Powerful.
Powerful.
The speech delivered a powerful message about unity.
Powerful.
Prince.
Prince.
The prince greeted the crowd with a wave and a smile.
Prince.
Pack up.
Pack up.
Let's pack up our camping gear and head home.
Pack up.
Asleep.
Asleep.
The baby fell asleep in her mother's arms.
Asleep.
Go out with.
Go out with.
She's been going out with her boyfriend for 2 years.
Go out with.
Desperately.
Desperately.
He searched desperately for a solution to the problem.
Desperately.
Mean.
Mean.
What does this word mean in the context of the sentence?
Mean.
Rhythm.
Rhythm.
The music had a catchy and energetic rhythm.
Rhythm.
Fill up.
Fill up.
Please fill up the water pitcher before we sit down to eat.
Fill up.
Thanks for watching.